Hi, in this video I will tell you how to sort data or pivot table in the desired order rather than ascending or descending order. So for that we need to use custom lists. So here in this video I will show you first how to create custom list and then how to use that custom list to sort data or pivot table. So let's begin with our first example. So here we have data related to events. Now I want to sort that data according to the region. Here we have regions like east, west, north and south. But as you can see that when I sort this data in ascending order, it comes like this: east, north, south and west, right? But I want to sort it by east, west, north and south. So for that we need to create a custom list first. So let me write the regions here. So this is my desired order in which I want to sort the list. I will now select this list and go to file. Now this is important, how to create a custom list. Go to file, options, advanced, and go to the bottom and click on this button, edit custom lists. Here we just need to click on this import button because this reference is already here. Or if you have not selected this list, for example if it is blank already, we can click here and select this list. It will give us this reference here, and now we can click on import and the list has been imported to the custom lists. Please note that there are already some lists that are inbuilt lists provided by Microsoft that we cannot edit, right? But we can use them. So we have just created our own list here, we have added it, and now we can click OK. And now the list that we created is available everywhere in new or old files, right? So now we can sort this region according to the list we have. We don't need this anymore, it has already been saved to the list. So now what I can do is right click, go to sort, and now I need to go here, custom sort. Okay, here the region is already selected, and yes, I want to sort on cell values, but here for order I will select custom list. Okay, and here is our list. Now let's see what happens. Click on OK again, and the list has been sorted in the desired order: east, west, north and south, right? Now if I sort it in descending order, it will retain the same order: east, west, north and south, right? So once you have attached the list to a field for the purpose of sorting, it will stay there even if you sort it repeatedly in ascending or descending order, right? So this is how you can use custom list to sort the data according to the desired order. Okay, now let us take another example. Here we have data related to country sale, and we have around 700 records here, right? Now I will create a pivot table, and then I'll show you how to sort pivot table using the same technique. Okay, now let us create a pivot table. In existing sheet I'll use this sheet, analysis sheet, and we'll select A1. Okay, now I'm going to drag date to rows, and maybe we can use profit for values and also use country for columns. Okay, and for date I will remove date field and I will keep the months. Okay, now I want to sort this list by months. Let us do that. First of all, let me change its layout to tabular so that we can see months and country labels here. Okay, now I'm going to sort it from oldest to newest. Now you can see that months have been sorted from January to December. Okay, if I do it in descending order, it will be December to January. But I want to sort this pivot table according to the months for financial year, starting from April, ending at March. So I will list the months here from April to March. So this is the financial year for India, April to March, right? Now again I need to go to File, Options, and Advanced. Go to the bottom, Edit Custom Lists. Here I just need to click on Import to import the months in that order. Now click OK. OK again. Now we can sort these the pivot table according to the months in this order using custom list again, right? Now go to More Sort Options, and here we have More Options button. Okay, uncheck this button, and from this drop down you need to select the new list, the custom list. Okay, now click OK and OK again. Now you can see that because we sorted it in descending order, it is coming in descending order. Let me sort it in ascending order. Now it is starting from April instead of January, right? It is in this order. Okay, April, May, June, July, August up to March. So this is how we can sort any range or pivot table using custom list. If you have any questions or you have any other scenario, please let me know in the comments. I will look into it and will try to find a solution for that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. Thank you.